Hey, how's it going? Cass here at Mixed Digital Marketing. Just wanted to leave you a quick video in regards to some SEO strategies recommend you doing to your website to help you ranking higher in Google. So we'll go over three things. The first is content, second is backlinks, third is citations. So content just refers to words on the page. In terms of your home page, we recommend 1,000 to 1,500 words, and each additional service page we recommend 500 to 750 words. And this is because within Google's algorithm, it can't really determine how nice a website is. Really, all you can rely upon are the words that are written there. And that's why, especially for your home page being the most important page of your site, we recommend so many words. And not just any words, the right keywords. And so as I take a look here at your home page, you can see there, it's good that you have a nice contact form. Really easy to read what services you guys have, but I would highly recommend that you have more content and words within here, multiple paragraphs, things that kind of just generally talks about what you guys do. And then these should also link to each individual service page, and that will help you with the overall on-site SEO. But you may be wondering, okay, well, how do I know what are the keywords that I should be putting on the site? So we use a program called Ahrefs. In this program, we're allowed to plug in any website on the web, and it gives us back some feedback. And so usually there's a ranking that's in the millions, but we're talking about billions of websites. So really what we care about is everything to the right here. The reason why you're not appearing is either because it's a fairly new website or because you don't have any backlinks or an offsite SEO done. It could be a combination of both. But your UR is a designation of both your on-site and your off-site SEO, and particularly for your home page. But once there's data that flows into this, you'll start seeing numbers here. And the DR is strictly a ranking of your off-site SEO. So the off-site SEO is driven by backlinks. So backlinks are that hyperlink that you find on blog posts or articles where you click on it, it leads to another website. And so Google really likes this because now another website is referring you. And so it's kind of like one-way popularity contest. We want to make you as popular as possible. And then to take a step further, what we really care about are going to be referring domains or websites. So you can have 100 backlinks on one website, but you only get power from that website once. So you want to make sure that you get as many websites as possible. And then take a step further than that, there's a difference between do follow referring domains and no follows. So not every website has to lend you power. So you want one that do, which are do follow referring domains. And the stronger their websites are, the stronger yours becomes. And then you start ranking for more and more organic keywords, traffic value. So I plugged in tree service Sarasota, Florida. This exact search is getting about 150 searches per month, which is a lot of volume. So typically there's a Google guaranteed or a Google ad here at the very top, but that only gets about 20% of the volume, and people are paying a premium to be on top of Google there. But 80% left for the rest of the field. 40% comes from the Google My Business section, and 40% comes from the organic search. The number one thing that typically affects the Google My Business is going to be the organic search and where you're ranked. The second thing that affects it are going to be your citations. So citations are online directories like Yellow Pages or even your Facebook and Yelp page where you have your business name, address, and phone number listed exactly as you have it set up in Google My Business. And it's very important they match exactly the same or else you won't get proper credit. So we have a different software that we use that allows us to see how many citations your competitors have, and we make sure we get at least double those. So citations are really easy to get. They just take a little bit of time. But let's take a look at the top organic competitor here, Tree Service Sarasota, and what they got going on. So here's their website. And you can see that, they've done a good job with multiple different service pages, and their homepage, it does have a considerable amount of content. And so as I go through here, they even actually have a lot more room to add more content, but based on what they're doing, it's working. So I plugged in their website, and here you can see that they have a rank in the millions, but then they have a UR of 24, which is not bad, but definitely room for improvement. And then DR is only at 1.1. And so the fact that this is the number one organic rated business in Sarasota getting so many searches and has this week of offsite SEO means that someone else can be able to climb in and top them pretty quickly. So you can see here that they have 33 referring domains, but only of which 8 are do follows. That's why it's so low. But even with that alone, they're ranking for 86 keywords, getting traffic and traffic value out of it. And so these are some SEO recommendations we recommend you doing to your website. If you want to learn more about what we can do, please visit www.mixeddigitalmarketing.com. Thank you.